at the Grinding Solution Forum, part of GrindingHub here in Stuttgart, Germany. ANCA and CemeCon came together to talk about some of the solutions they are giving to the industry.
We try to show here in the cooperation between ANCA and CemeCon how to use this scarce and very expensive resource of cemented carbide best by precision grinding, ultra technology from ANCA, stream finish to make a consistent homogeneous cutting edge, and a matching high PIMS coating to give an overall product which has a longer lifetime to come out of this bad situation of not having enough carbide. We simply all need more lifetime of a cutting tool.
We were lucky to get the chance to show our solutions against all the current challenges which we all have at our stand at GrindingHub. We picked one, which is the one about grinding, stream finishing and coating to up your tool life by multitudes, which will help you in the current carbide high price period.